How to delete Tonkeeper Wallet account. So if you want to delete Tonkeeper Wallet account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Tonkeeper application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, after logging into your account, if you want to delete this account, then what you need to do is go with settings, which is on the top right. Tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you will have an option of delete account right here under your settings. But if you don't find the delete account right here, then you can just simply go with sign out, and after signing out, don't sign in back to your account for 1 month and your account will be deleted. But you will have the delete option. You can just simply tap on delete account and it will ask you if you have a backup copy of recovery phrase. So if you have, then you can just simply go with it and then tap on delete wallet data, which will be on the bottom right, and your wallet data will be deleted. Or you can also go with the contact us section. Once you go with contact us, then it will take you to the mail. Now here you need to enter the subject and the message that I want to delete my Tonkeeper wallet, and I don't have the delete option on my account, so please help me with this. And after that, you need to send, and after sending, your account will be deleted. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.